Hello, good people. Welcome back to my corner of the internet, where I tackle the challenges nobody else dares to. Today, we're talking crab legs and no teeth. Yeah, you heard me right. Eating crab legs and using your teeth might sound impossible, but stick around, and I'm gonna show you how it's done. I'm even starting a challenge, the Toothless Crab Leg Challenge. So let's get it cracking. Now look, I got remnants of crab legs, but in the video, you're gonna see better. Kinda did this backwards. They sure was good. Now, hello good people. I'm sitting here eating up some crab legs. And it dawned on me, I wonder if there's a video on YouTube that actually teaches people how to eat crabs with no teeth. And I don't think there is. So everybody like to be first. Here's my opportunity to be first. And I guarantee you after I finish doing this video, there'll be more that'll pop up. But if any of you people out here with no teeth, like crab legs, and you want to eat them, but you're toothless, I got the trick for you. Make sure you get the little piece of meat off of that. And then what you want to do is you want to be real sensitive to crack that bad boy like that. See that meat? See that? Didn't have to use your teeth. Got it? Now, of course, I have to so I can chew it. But if not, you know, not making fun of nobody. But it's soft meat, so you can eat it with your gums. I'm gonna try it one more time. See? You see? That's the way to do it. See how I'm doing? All jokes aside, there's a way to do everything. You like crab legs? There's a way to eat your crab legs if you like them. And you don't need teeth. You just saw me do it. I'm the first. Now, I might be somebody who can do it better. Step one, you need the gentle crab leg cracking technique, okay? So first things first, you gotta be real gentle with these bad boys, okay? Now the goal is to crack the shell just enough to get that sweet, soft crab meat without needing teeth. And watch this real light pressure like this. You see, that's easy access to the goods. And this is for all my people out there who want crab legs but think teeth are requirement. Nope, not today. Now, we're gonna show you me getting that meat. Now, pure crab goodness. And of course, if you're completely toothless, you'll chew with your tongue. But this meat is so soft, it's basically ready to melt in your mouth. You can use your tools if your thumbs ain't strong enough. But don't you struggle now, and don't you worry, we got tools for that. Now grab yourself a crab leg cracker or even a regular pair of kitchen scissors. Look at this one. I don't have none of those, I just got this cracker. Now, here's the challenge. Here's the deal. This is officially the Toothless Crab Leg Challenge. I've shown you my method. Now it's your turn. I want to see your videos, your hacks, your tips. Tag me, leave a comment, and share with somebody who needs this in their life. Together, we proven there's always a way to enjoy the thing you love, no matter the challenge. Remember, gently. All right, y'all. That's it for today. Thanks for hanging out with me and watching this. And if you learned something, or even if you just had a laugh, hit that like, leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more creative tips and challenges. Until next time, keep eating, keep laughing, and keep living life to the fullest. See ya.
If you're a nurse, nail technician, or traveler, you need this? Stinky Stopper air fresheners are designed to eliminate odors effectively, even at home. You can choose from a variety of scents, like fresh linen, and enjoy long-lasting freshness. They're easy to use and perfect for anyone who values cleanliness and freshness. From childcare providers to eco-conscious consumers, get $10 off when you buy 3 and get 1 free.